Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views. Today is May 8th, 2018. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, let's get started here with the S&P 500 E-mini futures. You're going to see that the futures this morning are trading down by 4.25 points to 26.65.5 per contract. All in all, markets were a little bit weaker, but they have rallied up here. Today we do have a lot of geopolitical stuff going on. At 2 p.m. today, I believe President Trump will announce whether or not he is going to stay in the Iran deal, and we'll see how that plays out. Again, that will affect crude oil, could also affect the markets as well. So we'll sit tight and we'll see what comes out of it. But in the meantime, we have lots of stocks in the news, and that's where we're going to focus our attention. First stock we're going to take a look at today is going to be HTZ, which is Hertz. Stock right now is trading at $20.30, closed at $22.16. So this is a good little haircut. I'll have a level for this, but I'm not sure we're going to get down there. It's a lot lower. But nonetheless, Hertz under some pressure this morning, so keep that on the radar. Anytime you look at Hertz, you also have to look at CAR, which is Avis Budget. Right now, that's trading at $44.47. No real activity there, but we will keep this one on the radar as well. I'll have levels for this in the intraday stock chat room if this does start to decline. I do see a very, very good trade setup for CAR. Let's take a look at Zillow or Zillow Group. We'll go with the Zillow Group, ZG. Stock closed at $55.60, now trading at $51. So this is a pretty good haircut. There's a lot of support intraday around the $44.50 to $45 level, so keep that on the radar. You're going to see daily chart 200 period moving average should be very good support today if it is tested, but we'll see if that happens. That's the only level that really interests me in this name right now. Other than that, we'll have to look a little bit lower later. So we'll see how that plays out. There's also regular Zillow. You could take a look at that one as well. This is Zillow Group Inc. I think this is the A shares. Same kind of trade setup. No real change there. Same levels. All right, let's move over to VRX, which is Valiant Pharmaceuticals. Stock right now is trading at $19.60, closed at $18.16. So this is a little bit of a good move higher ahead of the opening bell. I believe this is on the back of earnings. Again, this is a stock, when you look at the daily chart, it's just a very, very hard chart to look for a lot of upside. There's a lot of resistance levels still in play around the $19 area, so I just don't know if you could look for a whole lot more out of this name. We'll see how it plays out, but it is a good pop. If you own it, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, just kind of leave it alone at this stage of the game. Let's take a look at Schein. HSIC is the ticker symbol here. Stock right now is trading at $76.26. They reported earnings. There's no pre-market activity here, but this will be a mover. We'll be watching this one once the opening bell rings. Let's take a look at Discovery Channel, or ticker symbol DISCA, DISCA, and you'll see this is trading at around $23.19, closed at $23.39. So no real movement in this name yet, but this will be in play today at some point. We'll keep it on the radar. We'll see if it starts to move around. Let's take a look at HAIN Celestial. HAIN is the ticker symbol here. Stock really was selling off sharply, but it has come back quite a bit. Closed at $28.64, now trading at $26.50. So it's still down decently from the close yesterday, but well off the morning pre-market lows. So HAIN Celestial, I have a level for it. We'll see if it comes into play. That'll be posted up in the intraday stock chat room right at 9 a.m. Next up, we want to take a look at Jacobs Engineering. This is ticker symbol JEC. Stock closed at $56.71, now trading at $57.50. So good little move there for Jacobs. I think if this level can hold today, the lows might be in temporarily on this name. Again, if the stock rallied up, there's huge resistance around 60.25 to 60.5. I'm just not seeing it getting up there right now. Let's take a look at Aramark. ARMK is the ticker symbol here. Stock is trading at $37.69, closed at $37.05. So this got a little bit of an uptick in here as well. Watch the recent lows on the daily chart. If they get taken out, then this has a lot lower to go. But right now, I don't see any problems with this. Not a huge move by any stretch, but again, nothing really wrong here. Decent little uptick. Let's take a look at Dish Networks. DISH is the ticker symbol here. Stock is trading at $33.50. Closed at $33.90. I just don't see much to do one way or the other. The only level that really interests me in this stock might be around 30 bucks. And then after that, you got to go all the way down to around 26.70. So again, keep those levels on the radar if it does get down there today. I'm not sure it actually will happen. Let's take a look at SeaWorld Entertainment. SEAS is the ticker symbol here. Stock is trading at 1740, closed at 1585. So this is a good little uptick for SeaWorld. I don't have levels off the bat here. I'm going to try to work on some if they look decent. So I'll post those up in the intraday stock chat room if I think they look good. But right now I'm just not seeing a whole lot there just yet. So we'll see how this plays out. We'll see what it gives us, and we'll take it slow and steady. And again, if you have not done so, come on over, take a 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. 2018 has been a blockbuster so far. We're going to look to keep that going. All right, let's switch gears here a little bit. Gold futures down about $3.70 to $1,310.40 an ounce. So gold is down a little bit. You take a look at the GLD, which is a good ETF to track the movement in spot gold. See, that's trading at around 124.19, closed at 124.57. Again, that means the dollar is usually higher, and yes, that is the case today. Dollar is up 37 cents right now, trading at $92.97. Dollar has been on fire as of late. Let's go over to the crude oil market. Crude oil futures today trading down 72 cents to $70 and a penny a barrel. So all in all, crude oil down a little bit today. Take a look at the USO. See, that's trading at $14.14. This is a good ETF to track the movement in crude oil. And again, we'll see what comes out of that Iran story this afternoon. Will President Trump leave the Iran nuclear deal, or will he stay in? That's going to move markets. It's certainly going to move oil. So sit tight. We'll see how it plays out. And again, crude oil has been in such a strong uptrend. We'll see how that shakes out once the opening bell rings as well. All right, with that being said, everybody, I'm going to leave it here short and sweet. Once again, if you haven't done so, come on over. Take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. Trade right alongside of us. It's been a fabulous 2018, and we'll look to keep that going all year long. With that being said, everybody, have a great session, great trading day, and we will see you all on the charts.